Hey guys, it's Miss Hammond. Welcome to our Wonders lesson for today. Okay, we are going to talk about similes and metaphors. Writers compare one thing to another to create a picture in the reader's mind. A simile compares two things using the word like or as. A metaphor compares two things without using like or as. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one, and then we're going to do a few together. A modern Cinderella. Seeing the prince's tears, the queen advised, "He who consults the right sources will surely succeed." The prince's mind raced like a galloping horse on his favorite game, Horse Chaser. Okay, so I'm going to identify what the simile or metaphor is. So it's a simile because it used the word like. So the prince's mind raced like a galloping horse on his favorite game, Horse Chaser. The simile compares the prince's mind to a galloping horse. The simile shows how fast the prince's mind is working. Okay, so when we do our next couple, you're going to identify the simile or metaphor, and then you're going to identify what that simile or metaphor means. Okay, I will read this to you, and then you guys can pause, or you can pause and read it to yourself. A modern Cinderella. Once upon a time, the time being the other night, the prince was as joyous as a gamer with the new highest score. He had just danced with an amazing young woman at the royal palace. It was during the taping of his weekly TV show, Dancing with the Prince. Go ahead and pause and identify what the simile or metaphor is, and then identify what it means. Okay, so fifth grade, if you said the prince was as joyous as a gamer with the new highest score, you would be correct. If you also said that that was a simile, you are correct. Because if you look here, simile compares two things using the word like or as. Okay, so then what does that mean? Excuse me. I would say that that means that the prince is very happy. Next one. The prince fell into a dungeon of despair. "I must find her again," he cried, "and in time for tomorrow night's final show." How should he search? He clutched the purple sneaker in his hand. Okay, go ahead and pause and identify what the simile or metaphor is. Okay, go ahead and write down what your simile or metaphor is. Let's go to the next one. A modern Cinderella. As the day wore on, the prince grew sadder. His discouraged heart was a cell phone in need of recharging. Finally, there was only one house left to visit. When the prince arrived, three sisters stood in front, offering their feet. They'd been following the news feed. The shoe fit none of them. Okay, go ahead and pause and identify what the simile or metaphor is and what it means. Okay, fifth grade, go ahead and finish watching your videos, read all of the directions, and then go check your to-do list. Have a great day.